So I was out here hearing a noise. Couldn't figure out what it was, and I looked up and there's a parasail up there.
Oh, goodness.
And it's cold today.
Where they took off from?
Well, there used to be a guy over here where they fly the model airplanes, but he died. But I mean, he used to fly one out of there. And there was another guy that had something sort of like that crashed one. That was June's ex-husband that I remember hearing about him crashing one time. And I don't know if he's still around or not. So I don't know who that is up there. Boy, they picked a cold day for it. Mercy sakes. Huh.
Did you go to the post office by any chance?
Did I go?
Yeah.
I haven't yet. Probably a good idea to go. I guess I'm out here with the camera running. I might as well make a video of this amazing looking piece of metal I just got for 35 bucks. I think I might have to take the door off to get it in there. Here. You want to be my cameraman for a second? Look how gorgeous this is, though. Look all the way from front to back. Like I say, I might have to take that door off and see what's in there. It look awesome, ain't it? Does it look awesome from out there? I can't see it and look at it.
Yeah.
I can't hold it at the same time. Wow.
Yeah.
That looks a lot better.
That's going to be great.
Looks a lot better than it would if I made it.
Maybe just a little, honey. You're pretty good.
Yeah. Not that good. Pretty awesome.
Look at that. Yeah.
Well, there you go.
Ah.
That'd be cool.
How's it drive? Drive good?
It drives good. You want to drive it? Keys are in it. There's some metal in the back that came from that thing I took apart that belonged to Lee, that old furnace. Did I tell you about that?
No.
Yeah, he had an old furnace back there, and he said I could have the metal. So I went back there and took it apart. And I took the headliner down, but I haven't put anything back up yet.
Yeah.
I just pulled it down because it was hanging down.
Right. Yeah.
I've seen people take and just paint that, what's left up there, white. Just take some white latex and paint it.
It's like foam, though, huh?
Yeah, it's got a little insulation in it, you know.
Well, the seats all go down.
Alright.
Pretty neat.
Yeah.
Be your own little SUV for around town.
Well, yeah. Sure enough.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet.
I don't want to get in there and clean it all out.
Yeah. Be careful. Don't let it suck you in.
Yeah.
You'll be
walking away.
You'll be out here cleaning up my Jeep.
I'm walking away.
Walking away.